BMW is planning to ditch gas-powered cars. German automaker BMW is making a major move toward EV production by ditching gas-powered vehicle manufacturing from its plant in Munich, Germany. BMW said it expects to spend €650 million to update the factory site with 4 buildings, including a vehicle assembly line that will explicitly produce EVs. Starting in 2026, BMW said it will start building the new E-Class in the Munich plant. By the end of 2027, Munich will produce exclusively all-electric vehicles in what executives call its parent plant. BMW has a Level 3 autonomous system for Germany, and it works in the dark. The automaker is still planning to build combustion engine vehicles but has since moved these lines to a plant outside of Birmingham in the United Kingdom. BMW has already trained roughly 12,000 workers for different production jobs at the Munich plant. Some of the employees were also given the opportunity to move to new jobs at other plant locations, a release from BMW said. Milan Nedeljkovic, a member of the German automakers board in charge of production, said that the update to the Munich plant is evidence of BMW's ability to change and come up to speed on modern automotive technology. The Munich plant is an excellent example of our ability to adapt, he said. Last year alone, 6 all-electric models went into production. At the same time, we also set a production record, proving that we are simultaneously able to both deliver and shape the future in our production network. Peter Weber, the director of the Munich plant, said that the facility is the beating heart of BMW. However, it appears Weber recognizes that it is time to move on and prepare for the growth of the EV sector as a whole, especially as the European market has quickly transitioned to the new powertrains. We are delighted to be guiding the Munich plant into a fully electric future, Weber added. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslaupdate.